Hello, this is a get to know me video, a short introductory video about myself. In this video, I'm going to tell you about myself and about what this channel is about. Welcome everyone, my name is Bamari. I'm a fashion designer. I'm also an anatomist. I'm from Ogun State. I'm Capricorn. I graduated from University of Ilorin, BSc Anatomy. I'm a fashion designer. I started my fashion designing journey in 2020 after the COVID breaks. When during my undergraduate days, I used to go to fashion school during the breaks after school. I've always had this passion and zeal for fashion, but I never had the mindset of making it as a business. I just did fashion. I learned fashion just because I loved fashion. So here I am after procrastinating for so long, I've opened my business brand, Bamari. I'm also opening my YouTube channel. I've procrastinated for about 5 years now. Even though I never knew I meant to open it as a fashion content, I was thinking I would open it for funny content and the rest. But here I am. Thank God. One of the reasons I procrastinated opening my fashion business was the thought of will people like your work? Even though I've seen a lot of comments and people like, I love your dress, can you make it for me? I've always been having this kind of setback. Will this business flourish? And I've always had this kind of setbacks, and so it made me procrastinate a lot opening this fashion brand. But I'm glad I did now. Opening the fashion brand, it requires a lot of dedication, hard work, and you have to bring yourself out if you want that explosion for your business. So I've always been this. I would say I'm an introvert. I'm in between. I'm not an introvert. I'm not an extrovert. So I'm shy. I have to bring myself out to people to see. I have to market myself, tell people what I do. If you are an upcoming fashion designer out there and you want to open your fashion designing brand and you're procrastinating, go open your fashion designing brand now. Don't be like me. You will get better. One of the things you should do is never wait for everything to be perfect before you start. Start now and continue working on yourself. You get better. On my channel, you should be expecting a lot of fashion blogs, a lot of fashion statements, a lot of tips and techniques. I'll be sharing them on this channel. A lot of ideas. I do freehand cutting, I do pattern drafting, so I'll be sharing a lot of techniques and ideas, tips you can use to make your sewing much easier. We don't have to go through the hard way every time to get some particular things done. There are some easy routes to still come out well. So I'll be sharing those tips on my channel, so watch out because you're going to learn a lot and you're also going to be entertained. Also, I'll be doing a bit of fashion vlogs once in a while, and I'll be doing a bit of my lifestyle also on my channel. I like sleeping, I like eating, I like sewing, I like watching movies, Korean movies to be precise. Thank you everyone for watching to the end. Please like, subscribe, and comment. This will go a long way in helping my channel to grow. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.